Hello, Baba. Here's your video.
Close the door.
Yalla. See, look, there's still a door which closes and opens, all that stuff. Okay. And here's all your stuff on the stairs. Mobile shoe, Chemkide. Yalla. Here's your beautiful brand new bicycle. I don't think you're going to be fixing that, sorry. And here's stuff.
Do it slow, maybe he wants to see what he left on the desk or something.
So like tools and stuff, still here. And here. Your glasses, still where you left them. And all this stuff.
The shelf there.
And the shelves. And some of this stuff. That's a cool picture. Never noticed that before. I like that. And here's Levon. Say hi to Harout.
Love him.
And the safe is open. I assume you left it open. And scales and all this stuff. I'm sorry, I don't know what it is mostly. And this all packed up. Stuff. More stuff. Levon and Victoria. Hi, by the way. This stuff. That stuff. This. Is that an oven?
Yeah.
It's an oven. And all that stuff. And then more shelves, bags of something. Da-di-da-di-da-di-da. And then...
His office?
Yeah, well, let's go down here first. Here's that bike again. Still not fixable. More stuff. Steam cleaning. Bottles of some more stuff. And all this. And all this. Water filter. Tap. One very, very old flay. Probably not edible now. We'll go this way. Barish Needlework 2013. And the office. Couch. Kittens. I know you like cats. Some kittens. And your desk. More glasses. Whoa. So look, this is how dusty it is. Let's do a demonstration. Whoa. Whoa. It's pretty dusty. No. Phone doesn't work.
It doesn't have a cable in it. Smart ass.
My wife is being smart ass. Shelves. Jazzy and stuff. That's cool. I like that. This room here, what room?
It's the bathroom and the kitchen. Yeah,
Might as well do it all. Lights, no? Chiga? Okay. Toilet! Cool! Washing machine. Burner. Like coffee and stuff. I think me and Victoria actually stole some tea from here, sorry. Stuff. Hi. Is that everything?
That's it.
Power stuff, this one is all still here. Yeah. That's about it. And look, there's a lock and everything.
Pictures.
Yalla bye.
Bye bye.